Good day, ma'am. I am Matang Hilogakot from EE2A. Practice problem number 1. The box wrench below is used to tighten the bolt at A. If the wrench does not turn when the load is applied to the handle, determine the torque or moment applied to the bolt and the force of a wrench on the bolt. So, we are given a 52 Newton, a slope, and 30 Newton and 60 degree. So, first, let's draw a free body diagram. We are now given a fixed support at A, and for B, given tayo ng slope which is 13, 5, and 12, and angle 60 and 30 Newton. So, after nating madraw ang free body diagram, kunin natin yung AX2 dito sa 52 Newton. So, as I said, given tayo ng slope AX2, ang 5 ay adjacent ng angle adjacent ng AX2 ay 5, and meron tayong given na hypotenuse na 13, kaya 52, 5 over 13, 5 our adjacent, 13 is our hypotenuse, ay opposite over hypotenuse, that is opposite over hypotenuse, that is so sine 52, 5 over 13 Newton. Getting AY2, ang ating AY2 ay 12 over hypotenuse na 13, kaya 52, 12 over 13 Newton. So, kukunin naman natin yung isang angle dito na may given na angle 60 at 30 Newton. So, cosine theta is equals to AX3 over 30 Newton. Ilipat natin yung 30 sa kabila, kaya ang nagiging sagot ay AX3 is equals to 30 cosine 60 Newton. Cosine 60 dahil given nga tayo ng 60, ang AX3 ay adjacent, katabi ng angle 60, kaya naging AX3 adjacent over hypotenuse, that is cosine, kaya naging cosine 30 cosine 60 Newton. So, getting AY3, ang angle 60 AY3 ay opposite over hypotenuse, that is sine theta is equals to AY3 over 30. Kung susulat natin, lipat natin sa kabila, kaya naging AY3 is equals to 30 sine 60 Newton. So, summing forces, sign convention, positive going to the right. Summation of f of x is equals to 0. AX is equals to negative 52, 5 over 13 Newton galing sa AX2 plus 30 60 Newton plus 30 cosine 60 Newton galing naman yan dito sa AX3 is equals to 0. AX is equals to negative 5 is equals to 0. Lipat natin yung 0 sa kabila, kaya magiging sagot AX is equals to 5 Newton. So, summing forces, sign convention, positive going up. Summation of f of y is equals to 0. AY minus 52 12 over 13 kasi AY2 is equals to 52 12 over 13 Newton plus 30 sin 60 Newton. AY3 is equals to 30 sin 60 Newton kaya naging 30 sin 60 Newton is equals to 0. AY is equals to magiging sagot ng nito ng sa taas ay AY is equals to negative 73.980762 11 Newton is equals to 0. Lilipat natin sa kabila, magiging positive. AY is equals to 73.980762 11 Newton. Rounded off, magiging sagot 74 Newton. So, summing forces ay positive. Summing forces of moment is equals to 0. MA, moment is equals to negative 52, 12 over 13 Newton, 300 millimeter over 1000 millimeter. Para mag-cancel, kaya dinivide sa 1000 millimeter minus 30 sin 60 Newton. The quantity of 700 millimeter para mag-cancel, divide 1000 millimeter. 700 kasi 300 plus 400, 700 is equals to 0. MA is equals to negative 32.58653348 Newton per meter is equals to 0. Lipat natin sa kabila. Moment is equals to 32.58653348 Newton per meter. So, hindi naman given sa question na kailangan pa nating hanapin ang magnitude. Ang given ay summing forces along f of y, summing forces along f of x, and a moment. So, question number 2. Determine the support reaction on the member shown below. The collar at A is fixed to the member and can slide vertically along the vertical shaft. So, given ulit tayo dito ng fixed support. 1.5 meter, 900 Newton, 500 Newton per meter, and external pin, which is two unknown, f of x and f of y. So first, draw a free body diagram. Draw a free body diagram. Positive summing sign convention, positive going to the right, summation of f of x is equals to 0. 0 kasi wala namang given forces sa AX, kaya is equals to 0. So proceed tayo sa summing forces along f of y. Sign convention, positive going up, summation of f of y is equals to 0. NB is equals to negative 900 Newton is equals to 0. Lipat natin sa kabila, naging 900. So, given tayo ulit ng external pin, which is a 3 unknown, f of y and f of x. So, 45 degree si f of x ay adjacent over hypotenuse, that is cosine theta is equals to x over 1. Kaya lipat natin sa kabila, x is equals to 1 cosine 45. So finding moments, positive sign convention, summation of summing positive sign convention of a moment is equals to 0. MA minus 900 Newton times 1.5 meter minus 500 Newton per meter plus 900 Newton 3 meters 1.5 plus 1.5 3 meters plus 1 cosine 45. So MA is equals to negative 900 Newton times 1.5 meter minus 500 Newton per meter plus 900 Newton positive kasi counterclockwise times 3 meters plus 1 meters cosine 45. Answer, moment positive 1486.396103 Newton per meter. MA is equals to negative 1486.396103 Newton per meter is equals to 0. Lipat natin sa kabila. Moment is equals to 1486.396103 Newton per meter. Positive counterclockwise. So, that's all. Thank you.